Hello everyone. In my previous video, I just showed you how to create a repository and work in it. Now the task is how to create a backup of this repository in a S3 bucket. So we already have this repository created. I need to create a pipeline for it. So go to the pipelines. Create a pipeline. Just a minute, let me check if I'm recording. Yes. So give it a name. Repo pipeline. Service role. If you have one, you can select here. Otherwise, it will create a service role for you. Also, artifacts store. So it creates a bucket for artifact store. And default AWS key, I will leave it. If you had your or customer managed key, you can just choose that as well. So next, source provider. Here is our Codecommit. Repository name, as we have test repository. Branch name is my master branch. You can see all my branches are here created. So I just want to give it to the master branch. The reason behind is when the codes are merged, they are all going to the master branch. And I want to have a backup copy of my master branch. Amazon CloudWatch events, leave as it is. And then AWS code pipeline as default in the zip format. मीना मेरे पास नहीं आना गुड़िया अच्छा so what it does, it will zip my Codecommit repository and will move it to the S3 bucket in the zipped format. So click next now. But just skip this stage. We are not building, we are just cloning up our repository from Codecommit to the S3 bucket. So I will skip this stage and come to the deploy stage where I want to S3 bucket. Now find your S3 bucket. If not, you don't have one, it's best to have one bucket here. So let's create one. Go to S3 bucket. Create a bucket. Okay, say repo bucket. ACL disabled. You can give all the access you want. Block public access. Now that current settings are good. Enable versioning. I will keep it disabled in my case. This is just a temporary one, but you need to keep it enable versioning in case if there is an accident in the zone, in the region where you have your S3 bucket, then AWS can recover it from a different region. बेटे पेपर लिखा हुआ है नॉट टू डिस्टर्ब. मैं यहाँ काम कर रहा हूँ.
मैं अपने घर वाला लैपटॉप देखा है.
I am working on it.
ठीक है, बस कह सकते हैं.
नहीं कह सकते because Papa in the meeting, whenever that paper is there, you are not allowed to come in. Okay? किसी दे दो. सही से शट करना. Thank you. Right. So I will leave it disabled. Encryption, again, server-side encryption and Amazon S3 managed keys. You can have AWS keys. So it's all your choice. So I will not encrypt my bucket at the moment. What is wrong here? Okay, repo bucket, it's already exists. So the name should be unique for this MyS3 bucket. So repo bucket MS. Let's see if no one has this name. Okay, so we have this bucket created now. I will copy this name. If it's not picked up by here. Okay, let's see. And my my repo name must be in this format, test repo dot zip. I think that's the name of my repo, but let's me double check it. Yes, so test repo dot zip must be in this format only. Next, review the pipeline. So pipeline is being created. Artwork location of S3 bucket is here. AWS code pipeline service role name is here. Source stage is code commit test repository master branch. Build, we have skipped that, and deploy stage is Amazon S3 bucket. Create a pipeline here. So the pipeline has been created. Okay, still is doing something. Okay, so you can see that's been succeeded. So the pipeline is now created. Now let's see how does it works. So go to S3. Repo bucket. Test repository. You can see all my codes are here. If you download them, it comes in a zip file. So you can see all the files in my repository, they have all moved to the S3 bucket. If we go to Codecommit now, just to check what files I have there. So there is 3 London, Manchester, and master branch. And here is London, Manchester, and master branch. Okay, that's it. For the previous versions, we can always go back to the commits and see all the commits by history, how many commits were done by master branch, London branch, or Manchester branch. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye now.